morning, guys. It's your girl Samara Danae, and I'm back with another freaking vlog or whatever. So it is Saturday and it is 10:42 in the morning, and I'm on my way to Dunkin' Donuts. I want some iced coffee and some hash browns, so I'm about to head there now. But today my family's having like a little cookout, so I decided to vlog today, bring you guys along for the fun. So yeah, stay tuned for this vlog, but I'll see y'all once I get to the freaking Dunkin' Donuts, because I don't want to drive and be recording, so I'll see y'all when I get there. Just made it to Dunkin' Donuts. I'm sitting in this long freaking line, but y'all, they have everything boarded up from the looting that happened last week. Like everything is literally like boarded up, I guess, so people won't break in it. I don't know, but anyway, Black Lives Matter, period. But it's going to be hot as crap in Philly today. It's going to be 91 degrees. So I'm trying to debate on what I want to wear today. I might wear something cute and comfortable because it's going to be so hot. I want to be comfortable. And yeah, I still want to be cute. So I got to see what I'm going to wear today. I don't know. And of course, I'm going to beat my face. I'm just going to do probably like a light makeup because I don't want to do too much with the makeup because it's hot too. So I want to keep it simple. And my skin is looking good. Look at this. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Got my food, y'all. This Dunkin' Donuts is popping right now. Yeah, that freaking iced coffee. Every time it be busting every time. So y'all, I'm about to go chill. Y'all probably won't be seeing me until later on because the cookout slash dinner is a little bit later and it's only 11:04. So the next time y'all see me, I'll probably be dressed already. So yeah, I'll see. Hey y'all, so I'm dressed. It's later on in the day. It is 2:48 in the afternoon. I'm about to head to my aunt's house. That's where we're having a cookout at today. So I'm about to head there. Your girl got cute. I beat my face. I put on this white shirt. I got on some jeans. It's hot as fuck. I probably should have wore some shorts or something, but I got on some jeans with some little slides. Just cute and casual. So I'm about to head around there now. My aunt literally lives directly around the corner from my mom's house. I was at my mom's house and I literally driving around the corner. I could have walked, but it's hot. So I drove. I know y'all, I don't have my seatbelt on because like I said, it's literally around the corner. Like I'm about to be there. As soon as the light turn green, I'm near. It's green light. And I am here, guys. I'm about to park my car. I really want to park in the shade because it's hot as fuck out here. So somebody is about to move, so I'm gonna wait till they move and I'm getting her parking spot right in the shade. Hopefully she don't take all day to move. Girl, get in your car so I can get your parking spot. Like, what is you doing? So this is my aunt Nick. Say hi. So we're just chilling, waiting for everybody to get here. It feels so good outside, so I just wanted to update y'all, whatever. So I'll see y'all once everything gets going and all that good stuff. I'll see y'all.